Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering this viral Italian sandwich recipe and see if I can create the ultimate flavor explosion. You know those recipes that just seem to take over the internet? The ones that everyone's talking about, everyone's making, and everyone's obsessed with? Well, today we're diving into one of those recipes, and I am so excited to share it with you. It's all about a unique Italian sandwich that has taken the internet by storm, and I just can't wait to get started. When it comes to making sandwiches at home, I know I'm not the only one who struggled to find that perfect balance of flavors and textures. You know, the ones that are easy to make but still packed with flavor. It's like, we've all been there slapping some boring old turkey or ham between two slices of bread and calling it a day. But that's just not cutting it, is it? We want more. We want that wow factor, that flavor explosion that makes us go, "Ah, this is it. This is the one." I mean, think about it. How many times have you scrolled through social media, seen a drool-worthy sandwich, and thought to yourself, "I need to make that." Only to click on the recipe, realize it's got a million complicated steps, and just give up? Or worse, you do make it, and it's just meh. It's like, where's the flavor? Where's the excitement? That's what we're combating today, my friends. We're taking the idea of a boring old sandwich and flipping it on its head. So, what makes this viral Italian sandwich so special? For starters, it's all about the combination of flavors and textures. You've got crispy, crunchy, soft, and savory all in one beautiful package. And the best part? It's surprisingly easy to make. Like, you won't believe how simple it is to recreate this bad boy at home. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need some good quality Italian bread, some juicy mortadella, creamy mozzarella, crispy prosciutto, and a few other tasty ingredients. Now, the key to this sandwich is all about the layering. You want to start with a good base of mortadella, followed by some sliced mozzarella, and then a sprinkle of chopped fresh parsley. Next, you'll add some crispy prosciutto and a drizzle of Italian dressing. And finally, you'll top it all off with some sliced cherry tomatoes and a sprinkle of salt. As you can see, the layering is key. You want to make sure each bite has a little bit of everything. And trust me, the combination of flavors is just wow. The salty prosciutto, the creamy mozzarella, the savory mortadella, it's like a party in your mouth. When you take that first bite, the crunch of the prosciutto gives way to the softness of the mortadella and the creaminess of the mozzarella. It's like a match made in heaven. And the best part? It's just so easy to customize. You can add or subtract ingredients to your heart's content. Want to add some sliced ham or salami? Go for it! Want to swap out the mortadella for some good old-fashioned turkey? You do you. The beauty of this recipe is that it's adaptable to your tastes. So, what do you think? Are you ready to give this viral Italian sandwich a try? I know I am. Let's recap the key ingredients and steps. You'll need some Italian bread, mortadella, mozzarella, prosciutto, Italian dressing, cherry tomatoes, parsley, and salt. And don't forget to layer it up with love. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure, guys. If you've got a favorite sandwich filling, I want to hear about it in the comments below. And if you're looking for more culinary inspiration, be sure to check out my other recipe videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and I'll catch you all in the next video.